You're looking for a very specific testimonial request for a variety of different things, but you don't necessarily have the money to be able to, have nice testimonials be sent your way or a centralized platform to handle them. That's where Testimonial.New comes in. Testimonial.New is your option to send a testimonial in seconds. No need for sign up. It's 100% free. And all you have to do is choose one of these options on your screen in order to get your testimonials answered today. Say, for example, you have been selling a Notion template, right? And at the end of the process, you want people to tell you what your thoughts are about this product. Now, you don't necessarily have a paid for product like Testimonial.To, but you do want to get some idea as to how the product is going and what people think about it. In your auto response email, after they purchase it, you can have them be directed to a page like this, where you can click on it and it sends them to a Testimonial.New request page. Now, normally in these options, you have the ability to write a text testimonial or a video testimonial and then add the recipient's email here. But what I would do in the first place is I would add an email to this. And when I add an email to this and change the link, which is what I can put in an email like the example I'm showing, is this will actually have it auto send to whatever email you see in this identifier, right? And you'll notice as well, I can change this to whatever I'd want. Now, as somebody who is gonna be filling out this text request, what I would do simply is have them say, this app system template is the best thing since sliced bread, or whatever nice thing they'd say about it. And then from there, they can choose to leave an image or not, put their name, and then submit it. And then you'll notice that this is a great view as to what it could look like on your own website with all that information, as this is the stuff that we find very often makes people buy. I myself have a Testimonial.To account, which is pretty much the pro version of this, where anytime somebody leaves a review about my content services or my Notion templates, I request a review and then it pops up onto my website. But if you don't have the ability to pay for it, this is a great alternative. You're getting all the information you need. You can find solutions to put in that information for free on your website as well. And you're at least getting people to submit the information that you want to know about your product. So this is a great starting point. You can use this with e-commerce. You can use this with services. Anytime, they tell you that they like something about your product, you can always say, hey, would you be willing to write it down in this link? Would you be willing to record yourself saying that again in this link real quick? It's a great option for anybody who's looking for a free version of what we offer at Testimonial.To. So if you're interested in trying out this product, make sure to go to Testimonial.New today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.